Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're talking about how to turn off notifications that get enabled on Chrome for different websites. So all you have to do is go open Chrome, go to your three dots that opens the settings menu in the upper right-hand corner, and find the settings button, which will bring you to the settings page. This contains things like your sync settings, your stored passwords, all that jazz. But what we want is down here under Advanced. Go ahead and click on that. And it brings open the other half of the settings menu. And what we want is here under Privacy and Security is called Content Settings. If you click on that, it brings you to things like location data, microphone data, all that stuff. We want to go right here near the top. We've got notifications. And here you can see all the websites that you've blocked. I've blocked quite a few. And then down here at the bottom, it shows the ones that you've explicitly allowed. And provided they're not critical to the core function of Chrome, you should have three little dots here that allow you to click on it and click to remove from the allowed list. That way, if you accidentally click on any notifications while you're out there running around on the internet, you can block them as opposed to seeing them anymore so they're not spamming up your computer. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been how you disable website notifications on Chrome. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and toodles.